morning, my dear student. How are you? Hope all of you are fine and healthy. Today we will start our revision. So, before starting the revision, I will tell you your periodical portion. See in your book, all of you take your book, pencil and your notebook with you. Chapter 1, Food we eat. Chapter 5, Caring and sharing. Chapter 11, Keeping healthy. And Chapter 15, Early humans. So, first all of you open your book, page number 3. Chapter 1, Food we eat. Okay. Look at these pictures. A baby is drinking milk. So, why baby is drinking milk? Because baby food is milk. Milk is a wholesome food. We should drink milk daily. Milk is good for health. A child is eating biscuit. A family is eating food. So, now see here. Points to remember. In this chapter, we are going to learn about different points. First, whatever we eat and drink is our food. Whatever we eat rice, we eat pulses, we eat vegetables, we eat fruits, dal, cheese, paneer, sweets. These are our foods. And whatever we drink water. We should drink clean water every day. Food is our basic need. We have three basic needs: food, clothing and shelter. Food is our basic need. All living beings need food to stay alive. If all living beings, humans also, me also, you also, birds also, animals also, water animals also, plants also are living being. So all living beings need food to stay alive. We eat food daily. Daily, we eat food daily. Why we eat food daily? Because food gives us energy to work and play. We eat variety of foods. Variety means different types. Various. We eat various food. Like bread. Some people look here. We eat food daily. We eat variety of foods. Underline the word variety in your book. Bread, cheese, butter, rice, dal, fruits and vegetables, dosa, idli vada, milk, tea, sweets, eggs and meat. Here are given and so on. Here are given the pictures. Now turn the page. Page number 4. Here I see whatever we eat and drink is our food. Here are given. So underline this sentence in your book. Next line is we eat food to live. If you want live, so we eat food daily. We eat food to grow. Grow means increase in size. So underline the word live and grow. Food gives us energy. Here I write food gives us energy to work and play. Underline this sentence in your book. Next, we usually eat 3 meals a day. How many meals? 3 meals. Breakfast in the morning. Here are given picture. It is very important. Lunch in the afternoon. Dinner at night. So students, how many meals we take? We take 3 meals. How many meals? 3 meals. So don't forget, we take 3 meals. First meal is breakfast. Breakfast when morning. Second meal is lunch. afternoon. Third meal is dinner at night. So don't forget, it is very important. We eat 3 meals. How many meals? 3 meals. Underline in your book. Breakfast, morning, lunch, afternoon, dinner at night. All of you, it is given in your book. Underline in your book. Now see next. Next is milk and water. We should drink milk daily. Milk is a wholesome food. Milk is rich in calcium, and if you drink milk, it helps us to grow. We should drink water. And how many glasses of water we should drink? We should drink 6 to 8. 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. So milk is good for health. Underline in your book, milk is good for health. We should drink milk daily. We drink water every day. We should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Underline in your book, 6 to 8 glasses. How many glasses? 6 to 8 glasses. Don't forget, we should drink water 6 to 8 glasses every day. Next. Next is fast food. Do you like fast food? Or we call it junk food. Burger, pizza, noodles, and so on. These are come under the fast food. We like it. It is good in taste, but it is not good for our health. We should eat healthy food items, green vegetables, fruits, rice, pulses, and homemade food. Fresh and homemade food. Eating fast food is quite often, but it is not good for our health. So children, here are given some pictures of fast food. Fast food: burger, pizza, noodles, and samosa. These are come under the fast food. Chips also come under the fast food. Do you like chips? But eating chips daily is not good for health. So avoid it. See page number 5. Animals, birds, and plants also need food. Before at starting I told you कि all living beings, those are living beings, they need food daily. So a cow is eating grass. A cow is eating grass. So what is the food of cow? Answer is grass. Underline in your book. A parrot is eating chili. Parrot is eating chili. Underlining, parrot food is chili. What is the food of parrot? Chili. A child is watering the plant. Plant food is water, sunlight, and soil. Plant is also living thing. Plants give us oxygen. we must follow good eating habits. Good eating habits. Do you know some good eating habits? Yes. So first good eating habit is wash your hands before eating. Here are given. I read it. Wash your hands before eating. You should after eating also and before eating also, and at least till 20 seconds wash your hands. Eat in a clean plate. Don't use dirty plate and dirty place. Eat in a clean plate and at a clean place. Do not overeat. If you like burger, that too much. No, it is not good. Don't overeat. Do not eat too little also. That is cause of illness. Eat slowly and chew the food well. It is very important. While eating, chew the food well. And while eating, don't talk. It is bad manner. Eat fresh and homemade food. Always eat fresh food and homemade, whatever your mom cooked. Okay? Cook. Wash fruits before eating. Always wash fruits and vegetables properly before eating and before cooking. Do not waste food. Wastage of food is crime, because waste of food is very bad manner. If you throw the food, it is not good, na? So many people's not got it properly daily lives. Okay. Good eating habits help us keep healthy. If you follow these good eating habits, you will become a healthy child, healthy person. So now let's revise our worksheet. And in this chapter, I told you some words underline. Again, I repeat it. A baby is drinking milk. What is the food of baby? Milk. Child is eating biscuit. A family is eating food. We eat food daily. Underline the word daily. We eat a variety of foods. Underline the word variety. Variety means various. Whatever we eat and drink is our food. Underline this. We eat food to live. Live. Underline. Live means life. We eat food to grow. G-R-O-W, grow. Grow means increase in size. Food gives us energy to work and play. Energy means power. We usually eat 3 meals a day. How many meals? 3 meals. Breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon, dinner at night. Underline it. These are very important. Milk is good for health. What is good for health? Answer is milk. We should drink milk daily. We drink water every day. We should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. How many glasses of water? 6 to 8 glasses. Children love to eat fast food such as burger, pizza, noodles, chips and samosa. But it is not good for your health. Animals, birds and plants also need food. A cow is eating grass. What is the food of cow? Grass. Underline the word grass. Parrot is eating chili. Underline the word chili. A child is watering the plant. What is the food of plant? Water and soil. So food is our basic need, and all living beings need food to stay alive. We must follow good eating habits. Wash your hands before eating. Eat in a clean plate. Do not overeat. Do not eat too little, and so on. If you follow good eating habits, you will become a healthy person. So I write here some new words what we learned in this chapter. variety. Variety means various. Live. Live means have life. Live means have life. Grow. To increase in size. Energy. Power. Meals. We can say meals in simple words because they are very small. Food. And habits. We always talk about good habits means your daily behavior, usual behavior. Usual behavior. So, in this chapter, new words are variety, various, live, have life, grow, to increase in size, energy, power, meals in simple words because you are very small, food, habits, usual behavior, your daily behaviors. Behavior means व्यवहार. Okay. Now, see page number 6, worksheet 1. So, our worksheet 1. Revise our worksheet 1. Exercise 1. Filling the blanks. So, first I ask, we eat dash of foods. What dash? We eat dash of foods. Which dash? Only few types or various types. So, the first answer is variety. Second, food help us to dash what? Answer is grow. Food give us to work and play. What food give us? Energy, power. Good food habits keep us what? Healthy and fit. Next exercise, tick the right option. See, I drink milk once, twice or thrice. Correct answer is twice. Second, I drink plenty of water, cold drink or coffee. Water. Third, I eat rice. When you eat rice? Breakfast in morning? No. Dinner? Lunch. The correct answer is lunch. Number 4. Food gives me energy to fighting, sleeping, no, work. The answer is work. Okay, next exercise. Do fast and learn it. So, exercise C. Look at the picture and make a picture clue and solve the puzzle. So, 1. What is this? Milk. Second, vegetables. Third, fish. Fourth, butter. Okay, now see down. First is egg. Egg. Number 5. We can say 6 number meat. My drawing is not good. Then 7 number cheese. Okay, now see last exercise, and be fast, learn all exercise, and whatever sentence and words underlined in book, also learn it properly. It is very important. So circle the food item we get from animals. Exercise D. Milk. Milk. Thus circle the milk. Cow gives us milk. Second is orange. Orange. Plants give us orange. So no need circle. Egg. Hen give us eggs. So circle the eggs. Apple. Plant gives us apple. So no need. Fish. Yes, circle. Only in here, only the food items we get from animals circle. The last is cabbage. Plants give us cabbage. So no need. Cabbage. So cross cabbage, cross and cross. So our answer is milk, egg and fish. So now your homework is learn lesson 1 all exercise from book and full chapter also. Full chapter is means question answer whatever given in your notebook. Understood? So and underline whatever sentence you underline in your book and words underline, please learn it properly. It is very important for your exam. Okay, thank you my dear student. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.